In this video, we will learn basic scripting by writing few lines of code. We'll start by adding a button by right-clicking on the background and selecting Add Button option under Add Widgets tab. Then right-click on the button to open Script Editor, and you'll notice a button on click function. Each time our button is clicked, it performs the actions defined under this function. Let's say we want to create an object. Simply write world.add and you'll see a range of functions to select from. To create a disk, select the Add Disk function, and enter its radius, say 0.5. Now save the script, and click on the button. By default, our object will be created at origin. Play the simulation, and observe the falling disk, due to gravity. Repeatedly click the button and you'll see all the disks to be falling down. Now, say we want to give velocity to the disk. To do so, we need to give a name to our disk, say ball. Since we can assign any name or variable to the disk, we write var, which denotes a variable, and ball is the name of that variable. Now give a velocity to the ball by writing ball.set, and you can select set velocity function. First parameter corresponds to velocity in x direction, and second one to velocity in y direction. Set the parameters as 5 each. Save the script, and press the button repeatedly, and you'll observe the balls to be projected at an angle. Now, say you want to control the velocity of the ball without changing the script over and over again. For this, we need a slider, which can be added similar to the button, that is, under Widgets tab. Since we want to receive the value of the slider, we write widgets.get and then select Get Slider function from the menu. Name corresponds to a particular slider which we want to access. In this case, it is A, which you can find out from the properties table. Enter this name in slider function, enclosed in double inverted commas. Now, every time we click the button, it must receive the slider value, and set it as the velocity in x and y direction. For this, we need to give a name to our slider, say v. Then, in the set velocity function, for both x and y component, we write v.get, and select Get Value function. Save the script and interact with the simulation. You can see that we have created a projectile, which can be launched using a button, and whose speed is controlled by a slider. Hope you learnt the basics of scripting in Simphy.